The most important is before you start, connect these two wires, connect it each other. Put that one in firmly. Now we are in propane mode, not the gasoline. You can see one of the wire there is connect so that you can run your two fans. Not put this one out first. Start first the generator, and you can, if you want to get a power after 5 minutes of idling, you can put this one up. So now put this one in on and fire it.